Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another brand video. So right now we have come another place for making video, and as you can see with me I have two friends, and right now we are going to make a conversation, and I think this conversation will be more important for the students, for the English learner who want to learn English language. So first of all, I want to say, how are you doing today?
Oh, right now I'm over the moon.
Yeah.
Because we have come here to make video.
Yes.
And guys, I have two splendid speaker. Okay. So
Limon, what's up?
Oh, today I'm very well and
my God.
I'm over the moon to talk to you. So, Mahmoud, how are you today?
I'm exceptionally well. By talking to you, I'm really over the moon. Okay, so today's in this video we are going to describe why we should make video for learning English language. So first of all, I want to request Toikul Islam Sani for giving an incredible speech about making video.
okay. So if we're going to explain actually how to what is the benefit of making video, I think I don't have it might be drawback, right? It's not might be what can I say going on. Okay. So because of making video is too much important for getting your fluency. Let me give you, actually I'm going to give you just 3 steps why we should make a video. The first one is, if you will be a good speaker, you should make video. The reason why, because of when you describe something in another place, or by making video, you will get so many things for describing. If you want, like we are making video in the outside, right? And if I will about talk to you talk about a natural beauty, right? Whatever I will be saying, I will be able to make sentences, right?
Yes,
So many sentences I will be able to make. So for this reason, actually, I think we should make video, and if you will make video, you will be able to remove your inertia.
Yes.
Like if you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a public speaker, you must make a video. Otherwise it doesn't have any alternative way to get your fluency. And another one is, if you will make video whenever you will get a tough situation, you will say you will you will show your romanticism. You will make conversation with any kinds of people without any hesitation. It might be good speaker, or it might be beginner. It doesn't matter. If you have ability, if you have make video, and by making video actually we will get our brave, right? Because of by making video, some of we want to make video in front of the camera. First of all, if you will try to make video in front of the camera, I think you will be shyness. Yeah, and you will getting shyness. You'll be getting shyness because of that after making video, you're thinking that, oh my god, it's me, it's my voice. How is it look like me? So it doesn't matter about it. If you will just make video rapidly, it might be possible to get your fluency within a very short time, and it will be very possible to make a conversation with any kinds of people. It doesn't matter about it. And that I have two splendid speaker, and that before when we were beginner, we made so many videos, and right now we are making video continuously, gradually, so that we can get our by making video we are learning English. To be honest, because of we are not able to, I think we are not keen on to practice English, learn English at home, at our home. Just when we get time, we just practice by making video. I think that's all.
Okay. You have done an pneumono ultra microscopic balcony kinesis job. So now we are going to move another guy whose name is Mr. Limon. So I think Limon will try to deliver Agun speech about making video.
Okay, so thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about how much important making video. Okay, so let me break it down, because at this moment we are making video, and we are three person. We know how much important making video, and especially for learning English language. And when we was beginner that time, we can't speak some sentences, without some sentences. From that time we start our English journey by making video, and it helps me a lot to grow myself as well as my English language. Because when I was start my English journey that time, I just make video with my friends, or all of people they know he's my friend, close friend, as well as Sunny also my friend. We was making at the beginning moment I make video with Mahmoud, not Sunny, and after some months later I made some videos with Sunny. And it was our turning point, that is by making video we can express ourselves. Like when we need to give any speech in front of public, like in front of public, at that time we feel, at the beginning moment we will feel shy. But if we will make video about it, any topic, before going any public speech, before giving, if we will practice before that it, and we will make video about it, we can check our, that is how we look like, how we speak, or how our voice, like this type of things we can check before going any type of place, or any type of giving any types of speech, English speech. Okay. And we can prove ourselves, that is we are capable to speak English by recording ourselves. And in our country many people they speak in English very well, I know it. Especially who want to prove themselves, of course they make video. I saw it very many times, especially on YouTube, on Facebook. I saw many speaker, they can speak in English fluently by just by making video. They have started their English journey. Lots of friends I have at this moment, they start their English, they're just at this moment also they are learning English by making video. And we are also learning English by making video. So there is a things, I think it's important for all of us for making video for learning English language.
Okay.
So there is a thing.
So also, you know that a couple of days ago, I have catched up with some guys, and actually they are really fantastic to speak English very well. But they actually, when we were talking about how to learn speaking English, what was my beginner time, what is the time of my beginning. So at that time, actually, they was telling that me that brother, you are we. This means we are actually. He watched one video that we have made a one video and uploaded. He told me that, oh my god, you guys are really fantastic, because you were learning, you were able to speak English making video, by making video. And you know that he was a teacher, he not was a teacher, he is a teacher. But he told me that actually I don't have any ability to make a video in front of the people, in front of guy, but you are able to, you are so fantastic. So by this way, actually, I have thought that no, I have to make video, and I will have to make video anyhow, any cost, because you know that if you will make video, you will back down any kinds of thing whenever you will get so many struggles, or some bad things, right? So Mahmoud, what do you think, that should we make video by speaking English, for learning English?
Yeah, of course, definitely. Why not? So now I'm going to talk about making video. Why we should actually make video. So I think making video is really great way to learn English, because when I started my English journey that time, I used to make lots of videos, and you can say I'm a real example. So I have learned English by making video. So that's why I think without any reason, without showing any types of reasons, I can strongly say that everyone they should make video for learning English language. So I think by making video, what actually how we can take benefit, there is a actually questions many people they ask usually. So I think when I started my English journey that time, before learning English there is no guy who will actually who knows about me. But when I started making videos and I uploaded on social media like Facebook and YouTube, so gradually I have seen there are so many people they are appreciating me, that actually go ahead Mahmoud, so I really pray for you. So your future is really bright, you should go ahead, never think about anyone who are abusing you, so just go ahead. So when I have uploaded such types of videos, I mean practicing videos, by starting my camera I was practicing my English language. So then I saw they are inspiring me, and I took every inspirations from them, and now I can speak in English by taking their inspiration. So I think before there is no guy who will know about me, and they didn't know who is Mahmoud. Oh my goodness, I don't really know, but they knows that actually Mr. Saluddin, his son name is Mahmoud, but they didn't know very well. But right now, nowadays, they knows about me for making video, because I try to make videos for the students, for the English learners, so that they can also actually enhance their fluency by watching my video. And above all, you can say I have uploaded so many videos about listening, which is really big time, like 10 minutes, 31 minutes, and 15 minutes, such types of videos, how we can learn English. So there's so many videos I have uploaded. So I think these types of videos, my English learner, they can watch for taking listening part. And another thing is that for making videos, which types of benefit I have got. So before learning English, there is no guy actually who will know me. Already I have shared with you. But when I was making videos continuously, I saw that from different types of actually division, from different types of countries, they are calling me that, brother, you can speak in English. So how you are improving yourself by learning English? So can you please share with me? So like this one, you can say from different types of countries like India, Philippines, and also Yemen, Oman. So there are some guys actually they watch our video,
Yeah.
so they are inspiring me. So practically if we wanna go Philippines maybe, right now I forget it.
Philippines.
So yeah, Philippines. So if you wanna go right now, so it is really impossible for you, because we have to do password and many problem we have to face for going over there. But by making videos, directly I'm actually connecting with them, and they're watching my video and they're learning English, and they're actually thinking that I'm improving. That's why they should inspire me.
Right.
And nowadays I have got so many actually friends from other district or division, or you can say also country. So they are making conversation with me, and for learning English, I'm getting lots of response, lots of appreciation from them. And another thing is that if you can learn English, exactly, you can work as a teacher, English teacher. So that's really fantastic for everyone, I think. As I have learned my English language by making videos, everyone they should also learn like this way. So it will be better for both of them, I think.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So Mahmoud has given an incredible speech. So let me back down. Another thing is that is many of we student, as we are student,
Yeah.
when we want to speak in front of the people, like there are so many institutes, like IELTS Institute, or you can say Spoken Institute,
Yes.
are available. And the students, especially the students, when they are going to go in front of the people to speak, deliver their speech, right, and they are just getting shy. Why? Because of because of lack of practicing. Not only practicing, actually they are able to do something, they are able to speak very well, but when someone goes to in front of the people, they are thinking that, oh my God, where am I? Right.
I'm in danger.
Oh my God, I'm in danger.
Yeah.
Right. So
Something like that.
by making video, if you are just able to do something, to speak in front of the
Yeah.
people, I think it will be good, it will be
Yeah,
easier.
another thing is that by making video we can actually see our mistake, what types of mistakes we have
Right,
made.
right.
And but without making video you won't practice. There are many guys, they are learning English, but without making video they don't practice. So when we just start our camera, so we are supposed to speak in English because time is going on and camera has started. So now anyway you have to say something about anything. So then people they feel serious that I have to speak in English anyway. So then they try to speak in English. Otherwise, yes, I'm learning English, but I'm not practicing. So my day is going very well.
Very well.
So I think for this reason we should actually start our camera and then we should make video.
Okay, so Limon, I have a one question for you. Bit there is,
Okay.
many of people they know we have an institute,
Yes.
like so. I saw one thing that is when you was trying to go in front of the people, like in front of the students, and you was getting shy, right? I noticed that. So why? You can just explain
Why I feel shy?
why
in
you
front of
was
teacher?
in front of the teacher, in front of the people.
Oh,
because I didn't teach any people, or like something that I have at this moment. I have no student. That is, I'm not teaching anyone. So that's why sometimes when I go in front of students, I feel shy because I have no that much ability to teach people.
No, no.
I have okay.
I get
I
it,
didn't
but-
teach, so that's why I didn't teach in my life
Okay.
any students. So that's why I feel sometimes I feel shy. But I will try to remove this hesitation problem. I will try to remove. So that is the things.
Okay, I got it.
In future, I will remove it.
So I think we don't. I think we don't have any kinds of activities or any kinds of tips and tricks to give you to improve your speaking English by making video. So whatever we have knows, we have just we have shared.
Oh
right?
yeah, another thing.
Another one.
Okay, so as we have described already about making video, how much important to make videos. So right now we should actually give some information about this place. Right now, where we are.
Oh, we are in Tea Garden. It's located.
Jagadishpur.
Yeah, Jagadishpur Tea Garden. The place is situated Jagadishpur Tea Garden.
Yeah.
It's located. The specific
And,
name.
in front of us, next to us, and
Yeah.
maybe you are not
Okay.
able to watch it.
Tell me,
One.
tell me 5 sentences by counting number one, number two. Tell me something. 5 sentences about tea garden.
Oh my God! If I will talk about 5 sentences, like it's the natural beauty of tea garden. It's totally incredible. If I will say in a words, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And the second one is we can remove our inertia. Like we can refresh our minds by coming in this type of environment. And many people work in this place. By working, many people they lead their life like what can I say, labor. We call them labor, like something that. And in this natural view we can take lots of oxygen.
Okay.
The natural oxygen we are getting from this place,
Yeah.
it's also good.
think,
And the air is totally incredible. Fresh air we are getting at this moment.
Do you think the tea leaf is red or green?
Oh, the tea leaf is green, totally green. There is no red
Totally green.
circle.
Can you eat practically?
No, I can't eat, but I have to boiled by water. Then I will able to eat.
Oh my God.
Do you think having tea is our tradition in our country?
Especially in the Sylhet, it's a tradition. I think, as far as I know, it's come from China. The one king, he made this at the beginning moment. He made tea. Unfortunately, tea. I know the story, but the clarified story I can tell.
What is the national tea? What is the national tea of Bangladesh? Do you know?
What is the national tea of Bangladesh? No. Can you please?
Yes,
You can
mango.
share.
Mango tea.
Tree. No, no.
Mango tea.
Tree,
Absolutely.
tree, yes.
Oh, tree. Oh,
Tree.
that is the national tree.
But you
tree.
thought
Yeah,
that
mango
you say
tea.
tea.
I thought that it's
Okay.
a tea. I didn't understand.
And so you know,
answer
many
question.
of you don't know that actually Surma Chivan is the biggest, largest tea garden in the Bangladesh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
That's fantastic.
Yeah,
Have you went there?
yeah, of course.
Oh,
A
I
couple of
forget it.
days ago,
Yeah,
we went.
We went there.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we don't
Moment.
want to make it longer. Those are watching this video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next video.